following is a special marine warning from National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 3:30 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 1:54 p.m. Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing strong winds to 40 knots and small hail from 21 nautical miles east of Wilmette Harbor to 10 nautical miles west of Northerly Island, moving southeast at 30 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near Calumet Harbor around 2:20 p.m. Michigan City around 2:50 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 7 o'clock p.m. Saturday evening and 8 o'clock p.m. Saturday evening for northeastern Illinois and northwest Indiana. Here is the forecast for the Chicago